having gone this, we have gone a great deal in understanding our circle of feet. It's not going to be a problem anymore. So now look at this. What is the circle of feet? Circle of feet often tells you the feet note on the scale. You know, that's what the circle of feet does. It tells you the feet note that you have on the scale. So, and it's always from this side going to the right hand side. That is, it's going clockwise from the right hand side. This is the right hand side from C to what? The 6 o'clock here. From C to the 6 o'clock here. Then this other side is always going this way, counterclockwise. Okay. So if you are told what is the circle of feet, that's for case C, it's going to be what? G. You don't need to do any magic. Let's check it out. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Now this is your sofa notation. The feet note is going to be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to be what? Your key G here. So you have this as what? G, the closest here. So for the circle of feet, it means your feet note is going to be what? The next. C, the feet note is what? G. Then for G, the feet note is what? D. For D, the feet note is what? A. And for A, the feet note is what? E, which has 4 sharps, and so on and so forth. So if we check out this other side, this is what? The circle of foot. This other side is referred to as circle of feet. This one is circle of foot. The foot note after F is going to be B flat. The foot one after B flat is going to be what? E flat. Let's check it out. Okay, let's run on F. F, G, A, B flat, C. Okay, this 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get that the foot note here is what? B flat. You get 1, 2, 3, 4. The circle of foot F is what? B flat. So B flat is E flat. The foot note for E flat is what? A flat, and so on and so forth. Having understood that on the key of G major we have 1 sharp, on the key of D major we have 2 sharps, the key of A major we have 3 sharps, and so forth, so on and so forth. So we can now check out on the key of A major 3 sharps. What sharps? What are those sharps on the key of what? That A major. Then you come here. This is the rule for the sharps. On the key of A major we have 3 sharps. That 3 sharps is going to be what? F, C, and G. So you can just write A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So this circle of feet tells us that in the key of A major there are what? 3 sharps, and those 3 sharps is going to be what? F, C, and G. So you just go on. You have F sharp, C sharp, and G what? Sharp. So if you check this, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. That is just it. Then we go for the key of B. Discover that there are 5 sharps. Then that 5 sharps is going to be what? F, C, G, D, and what? A. On the key of what? B. B, C, D, E, F, G, A. So it tells us that F is going to be sharp, C is going to be sharp, G is going to be sharp, D is going to be sharp, and what? A is going to be sharp. Altogether what? 5 sharps. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. So I don't have to stress myself to be counting do, then I now go to re, something like that. You don't have to stress yourself. The circle of feet tells you all this, and very easily. Then if you come to the key of E flat, we're running on E flat major. You discover that they are what? 3 flat. So I can just write E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Then since we know on the key of E flat, and the key of E flat, they are what? 3 flat. So the 3 flat are going to be what? 1, 2, 3, B, E, and A. So this is E, B, and A. Sorry. So these are what? The 3 flat. The 3 flat will land on what? B, A, and E. B, E, and A. So that's it. Then the same with the A flat. It tells us that they are what? 4 flat on the key of A flat. So the 4 flat is going to be what? B, E, A, and D. So you can just write A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So there are 4 flat. The 4 flat will be B, E, A, and D. B, E, A, and what D, making it what 4 flat. Okay, I believe we've had it on understanding. Why are we doing all these things? If you actually come to music theory, you want to read music, you'll discover something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have something like this. So if you see something like this, you know that here has what? 1 flat. And this 1 flat, which key is going to be this? So when you see a musical piece with anything like this, you know that what? It's on the key of F. Because what? There's 1 flat there. So if you have a key signature like this, it means it's what? The key of F, because there's what? 1 flat. And what is the flat there? The flat there is what? B. So you'll be flattening this B and be playing B flat in the F major scale. If you have If you have 2 flat, you discover that this 2 flat is what? B flat. So, mainly looking at this thing now, this key signature, they tell you which key is this. And when you just look at the piece, the musical piece, you know that oh, this is what? B flat, because it has what? 2 flat. So B flat has what? 2 flat. And what are those flats? B and E. Same thing like this. If you have 4 flats here, you have to what? It's on the key of what? A flat. And the 4 flat, the flats are what? On B, E, A, and what? D. So you'll be flattening B, E, A, and D. So we use this to learn what? How to read key signatures and all those things. Then in the terms of the sharp, yeah, 2, 4, 5. So looking at these, and you have something like sharp here. So if you look at this kind of key signature, mainly looking at this musical piece, you know that this is what? The key of G. Mainly looking at this, you know that okay, this is the key of G. Why? Because it has what? 1 sharp. G has what? Just 1 sharp. And what is that sharp? F. F. So you'll be sharpening what? F. Then if you see if you get something like 5 sharps, you come down. 5 sharps is what? The key of what? B. So if you see a key signature like this, you know that what? You are on the key of what? B. You are on the key of B, meaning it has what? 5 sharps. So those 5 sharps will now be what? You'll be sharpening F, C, G, A, D, and what? A. You get? So that is why we have to learn the circle of 5th. Then if you see where we have 7 sharps, that means it's what? Key of what? C sharp. So if you have 7 sharps here, this is 5 already, 6, 7. If you have 7 sharps, you know that you're on the key of what? C sharp. So you'll be playing what? Key C sharp. If you see a key signature like this, and that 7 sharp is going to be what? You sharpen your F, sharpen your C, G, D, A. So you'll be having F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, and what? B sharp. So you should be sharpening all the major keys.
Set free to set free. How can we not occupy? The greater one occupies we. You see, sometimes to get up, you need to sit down. Remind yourself of who you are, of who